birds of a feather flock together to save energy. Scientists have found that the bird's V shape requires each bird to monitor subtle changes in the flock and stroke accordingly. This allows the birds to minimize their energy use and are so precise that they actually catch the upwash of the wings in front of them. This means a bird can adjust its wingtips to trace the same path in the sky as the bird in front. Sensors were attached to a flock of ibises, which allowed researchers to gather this information and confirmed theories scientists have held for decades. I'm Sampson, the Weather Channel.